There we go. There we go. We're hooked up. Alrighty. Oh, I'm getting stuck on that stuff up there. Alright. He's not hooked amazingly, but there we go. Fish number one. Hello everyone. Welcome to another fishing adventure. As you can see, we are out on the kayak. We're on a pretty big lake today. Thing that was in there pretty good though. And as you can see, we got our bait caster with us today, starting off with a spinner bait. Not expecting too much with it, but we did just get a bite, so hopefully we can get some fish with it today. And of course we got our other little light rod as well. So as always, we're going for whatever bites. It's a really nice day today. It's going to be in like the mid 70s, a little windy today. That's why I chose the spinner bait to start. But there we go, fish number one. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, here's the bait caster combo. I've got 8-pound line. This is a 6/8 medium rod. Just got this little Cast King reel. Haven't used it a whole lot, and today's gonna be hopefully a day of using it decently. Hopefully get some bass. It's probably all we'll get with this setup. Hopefully on our other one we will get into many different species. Oh, there's another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Nice. Wasn't sure what to expect with, you know, I wasn't sure how many bites I was going to get with this today, but that's two fairly quickly. My camera's been rolling for a little over 15 minutes, and we've already gotten two decent little largies on the spinner bait. It's a good sign. Thank you, buddy. Oh, that's a fish. We are on. All right. Let a little line out. Come here, buddy. All right. Bass number 3, I think. All right. About the same size so far. See you, buddy. Oh yeah, I had a feeling I'd get one right there. Ran that along that weed edge right there. This is usually one of my really good spots right here. And there we go, we already got one. First cast in this little section. Thank you, buddy. Well, the wind is definitely a problem for being in this kayak, but luckily we're catching fish, so it's kind of not making it as bad. But definitely not fun right now, but the wind. But the fish are biting, so that is all good. Ooh, another one. Oh yeah. Ooh, he might have been wrapped in a stick or something. He felt pretty good. Or maybe he got down in the grass or whatever. He felt like he had some weight there for a second. All right, they are definitely hammering this thing. See you, buddy. Oh, he came off that tree. Oh yeah. Spinner bait is working today. Clear skies, sunny, windy. Got some fall-like temperatures out here today. and they are hammering the spinnerbait. See you, buddy. Alrighty folks, I'd say it's about time to go ahead and pick up the other rod. This is our light setup. We got 4-pound line and a 6-foot rod. And we got a shad fry rigged on right now. Hopefully I can cast this with this heavy wind. Oh yeah, I just casted that pretty far, but we're not really in the wind at the moment. But let's go ahead and try this out. It's nothing flashy like the spinnerbait, but this is some pretty clear water. I can't really tell today as much because it's windy, but this place usually has some very clear water, so this little shad fry should be a nice natural little minnow bait style imitation. So let's go ahead and give this a little bit of a try. Oh yes. Alrighty, I wasn't very confident with how this wind's been blowing, but this is a spot last time where I caught some crappie right here under me and then down more. That's why I was really wanting to try this shad fry right here. And there we go, we got a little bitty one. He's been caught before for sure. Thank you, buddy. Alright, that's a good sign. We just got to try to battle this wind, see if we can't try to just at least sit somewhere and get some cast in for these crappie. Oh, there's another one. There's something else. Oh, I gotta watch out for my pole up there. Oh, it is another crappie. Alright, I've been sitting here trying to find the right spot. Hopefully I can locate the little pile. I got myself like wedged up on the bank, so we'll see. There's crappie number 2. This is one of the things I wanted today, and that is definitely a sign of having the right lure on. Figured this would be the perfect little lure today. There we go, crappie number 2. That might be another one. Oh, that's so cool. These are the really cool moments I enjoy. Like, I was just going along the lake, throwing a spinnerbait, catching some bass. I get over to a spot where in the past I've caught some crappie, and I'm starting to find them. It's just a lot of fun. The mysteries that can happen when you just fish for multi-species. See you, buddy. Oh, there we go. Oh, shoot, is this a decent fish? Oh, he was just fighting a little hard. Actually, it might be the biggest one so far. It's been a while since I've caught a bass. I was trying to get onto them crappie, trying to fight this wind. That was really the biggest problem with trying to get them crappie, is the wind kept blowing me around. But decided to go ahead and move on, pick up the spinnerbait again. This is hooked really weird. And there we go, another one. Oh, I'm on. I am on. Haven't had a bite in a while. Got down here toward the end of this lake. Try to wedge myself up on this bank, and there we go. We got another species. We got ourselves a bluegill. Have barely been able to fish this little light rod just because of how crazy the wind is, but in the past I've caught some panfish over there to the left by that tree, so there's one right there. Hopefully we can get some. There we go. We are on. That's a pretty solid one. Oh, hold on, buddy. All right. Another one. See, bud? Definitely hammered the shad fry right there. Oh, I made a bad cast and then this fish just came up and blew up on it. Little bass. That was pretty cool. I was trying to get it in because I made a bad cast and this fish was hungry. Oh yeah. A little bit bigger than I thought it was. All right. Back-to-back fish. That hasn't happened in a while. I've been exploring around, trying to find some fish, fighting the wind, of course. But when you get in these little coves like this, you can definitely find some fish and settle in. Alrighty, thank you, buddy. Oh, there's a fish coming after it. He's got it. He's got it. Not sure what we got, but he came out for it. Oh yeah. Another panfish. All right. This cove has been producing pretty good. Thank you, buddy. There we go. We are on. Is he still on there? Oh yeah. Oh, there's another bass chasing it. That's pretty cool. There's a second little smaller bass with this one. Well shoot, this thing's fighting though. A little similar size of what we've been catching today. Putting up a really good fight on the light tackle. And that is our first fish on the old rooster tail for the day. Got a white one with a silver blade, 1/16 ounce. Casting pretty good with our light 4-pound line setup. And this hook set's really weird. What is going on here? Oh, there we go. All right, see you, buddy. Is that a fish? Oh, it is a fish. Came over here to this little shallow spot. Oh, the wind's getting strong. It's blowing me way over here. Trying to get this fish. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I'm at this really shallow area. See if maybe there's some fish doing some feeding, and pretty much got one almost immediately. Maybe just a couple cast in. All right, see you, buddy. There we go. There's a fish. All right. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna last out here, but we are still catching them. It is a battle, but another fish. See you, buddy. There we go. Another fish just out here on this shallow, kind of grassy area. What do we got? Looks like a largie. Yep. All right. The bass are certainly loving the rooster tail right now. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Finally found another one out here. So I figured if I keep casting, I'll eventually run into something out here. A smaller one. Thank you for biting, buddy. He actually hit it really hard for how small he is. See you, bud? Ooh, another one. Oh, wow. That fish took off real fast. Alright. Well, I'm glad I didn't give up. I was close to getting out a little bit earlier because I'm kind of close to the boat ramp, but glad I came over here. Nothing too crazy over here, mainly just bass, but we're getting bites, so thank you. There we go. Nice. Got ourselves a bluegill. Thank you, buddy. There's another one. Alrighty. Rooster tail getting it done. It looks like that may be a hybrid. Cool looking fish. Alright, I guess the rooster tail kind of saved, I guess, not necessarily the whole day, but later into the morning this thing started catching all sorts of fish. Certainly helped. Good old rooster tail. Thank you, buddy. Alrighty, folks, I went ahead and got on out. I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. Overall, pretty solid day of fishing. Definitely some nice weather out here other than the wind. And I would have actually stayed all day if it wasn't for just how brutal the wind is today, unfortunately. Pretty much just constant wind and big gusts pretty much all day. So unfortunately, just don't really want to battle that anymore. But yeah, overall, I mean, pretty solid day of fishing. I think we ended up with like 4 species, maybe 5, 4 or 5 species, I believe. Pretty decent numbers. I really don't know how many fish I caught today, but we definitely had some fun little moments here and there. But that will pretty much do it. We did throw a couple different lures today. I think just in the long run, I maybe should have just had the rooster tail on the whole time. And of course, the spinnerbait was working pretty decently this morning. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will talk to you all later.